aktres na si AJ Raval, nagbigay ng birthday message para sa kanyang panganay na anak na si Ariana. Matatanda ang ibinunyag ng aktres na si AJ Raval na 5 na ang kanyang anak, 2 sa kanyang dating karelasyon na walang kaugnayan sa showbiz, at 3 sa kanyang bagong partner na si Aljur Abrenica. Si Ariane Elise o Ariana ang panganay na anak ni AJ. Ang pangalawang anak ng aktres ay si Aaron, ngunit pumanang na ito sa edad na 1. Sina Alkina, Aljur Jr. at Abraham naman ang 3 anak nina AJ at Aljur. Kamakailan ay naipost ni AJ sa kanyang social media account ang mga larawan nila ng kanyang panganay na anak at nagbigay din siya ng nakakaantig na mensahe para sa ika-8 kaarawan nito. Ikinuwento ng aktres sa kanyang post ang mga hamon na hinarap niya kasama ang kanyang anak at kung paanong natutunan niyang lumaban, magmahal at maging matatag sa buhay. Kwento ng aktres, 17 taong gulang lamang siya nang maging ina kay Ariana kung saan wala siyang sapat na pera, walang stable na income, walang sariling bahay, at sinusubukang makasurvive sa mundo kasama ang anak niya noong panahong iyon. Anya, there were days I looked at us and thought, how are we going to make it? I was 17, scared, broke, and trying to figure out how to be a mom when I still felt like a kid myself. Sometimes it honestly felt like a child raising a child. We argued, we cried, we struggled, and there were moments when life felt too heavy for both of us. We had no money, no stable income, no home of our own. Just 2 girls trying to survive in a world that wasn't built to make it easy for us. Dagdag ni AJ, nanganak siya sa isang lying-in clinic at nanirahan sila ng kanyang anak sa isang maliit na 5,000 peso apartment dahil walang sapat na pera. Sa kabila ng hirap at mga pagsubok sa buhay ay proud ang aktres na nakayanan nilang lahat ito. Anya, we were so broke that we ended up living in a tiny 5,000 peso apartment, barely enough space, barely enough anything. I gave birth in a lying-in clinic. And there were nights I wished I could run to my parents, crawl back into that safety I used to have. But I didn't want to be a burden. I didn't want to feel like I was failing or asking for too much. So I held it all in. But we did it. We kept going even when it felt impossible. You were small, but you saved me in big ways. Your tiny hands and loud little voice reminded me that I had something worth fighting for. You're a blessing I never knew I needed, but the greatest one I ever received. Every challenge we faced made us stronger. Every night we went to sleep unsure of tomorrow, we still woke up and tried again. We didn't have much, but we had each other, and that was enough to carry us this far. Sinabi rin ni AJ na matalino, malakas, masiyahin, wild, at maganda ang 8 taong gulang na anak niyang si Ariana. Sa huling bahagi ng kanyang post ay nagbigay siya ng mensahe para sa kanyang panganay na anak. Anya, and now here you are. 8 years old. Smart, strong, funny, wild, beautiful. You're everything I dreamed you'd be and more. When I look at you, I don't just see my daughter. I see my survival. I see my growth. I see the reason I learned how to fight, love, and rebuild my life. Happy birthday to the girl who turned my struggle into strength. We made it through the hardest parts, and I promise the rest of your story will be filled with warmth, love, and a home built from everything we've survived.